Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's webinar. I'm Alina from CFM. It's my honor here to hold this episode with all of you. I have made a short slide for you. In this episode, I'd like to share you how to select the right fabric for your flag and banners. I wish this sharing would be helpful for you to get proper materials when ordering. That's my purpose. Thanks for your kind attending in advance. I think some of you may encounter such a situation. A customer comes to you and tells you that he wants some flag and banners. Then he may raise some of the following questions. What type of flag material is right for me? Which one is better for outdoor use? I need to use the flag in high wind place. Which one do you recommend? Yes, these are questions frequently asked by customers, but if you want to answer these questions, some basic knowledge on fabrics are needed. Flag and banners should be the most economy and commonly used way for promoting your business or for some other special purpose. On our online store, more than 20 different fabrics are available for making flag and banners, which can meet most of your needs. Each fabric has its own merit and can be used in different situations. Here I like to explore the world of fabric together with you. Here I mainly divide into three parts. First is for new client and the most common option to meet most of needs. Then is for some recommended material used for severe environment. Finally, we will discuss more details from the math with GSM and Daniel. Okay, let's start with the first part. If this is your first time purchasing flag and banners and you don't know anything about fabrics, the simplest way for you is to select the ones with hot labels on our online store. This way applies to all our products. These fabrics are the most popular among our customers and can usually meet more than 90% of their needs. For flag and banner, 100 denier polyester and 110 granite polyester are the most popular fabrics. They are economical and light, that can fly well on wing, and they also have a high penetration rate, so even single-sided print can also perform well in local displaying. 100 denier polyester as the most cost-effective option for indoor use. 110 granite polyester with high tear resistance and has gradually become the most standard outdoor material compared with traditional nylon in fan market. By the way, current nylon material we have is the similar type 210 denier Oxford fabric as replacement. If 100 denier polyester and 110 granite polyester cannot meet your expectations and you want fabrics with certain features, our option can also help. Here show you four material options for reference, including 600 denier PU polyester, 120 gram mesh fabric, spun polyester, and satin. I will explain the features and uses for you. As you know, 600 denier PU polyester is our tan material that is waterproof, UV-proof, and flame retardant. We have certificates at hand to share with you if you need. Many clients will choose this material as replacement for PVC vinyl type, similar thickness but more durable and environment-friendly than vinyl material. Meanwhile, under sublimation printing technique, the color is vivid as the best choice for full color design. Then go ahead for 120 gram mesh fabric. This is mainly for fence banner or beach banner with good ventilation and be able to hold up to high winds. It's a good option here. For severe weather conditions like sea weather, spun polyester would be right to overcome sun exposed, strong wind, and seawater. As for satin, it is shining and smooth fabric for podium flag and conference flag. Steel sublimation printing technique as well could print out the most vibrant colors and bring out attention for your meeting, etc. Besides the feature of fabric, you can also decide if a fabric suits you through other info like the name, the width, the weight. the printing method, and even picture. I want to further the more info to you to help you better understand our fabrics. The mass width for sublimation material and the machine is 160 centimeter. Screw bleeding the flat width within 152 centimeter, or you will need two fabrics sealed together. For digital printing, we do have 320 centimeter as the maximum width fabric option to avoid thin line for large flattened banners. GSM is a metric measurement meaning gram per square meter. A piece of lightweight fabric is typically between 30 to 150 gram. Medium weight is about 150 to 350 gram, and heavy weight is over 350 gram. Denier, abbreviated D, is a unit of measurement used to determine the fiber thickness of individual threads or filament used in the creation of textile and fabrics. Fabrics with a high denier count tend to be sturdy and thick, durable. Finally, I would like to expand our topic about flattened banners. That's some care tips for flattened banner. In fact, no matter the flag is for outdoor or indoor use, regular care is necessary to prolong its lifespan. That's all info I want to share you here. Thanks for your kind invitation. If you are not sure what type of fabric will work best in your specific instance, no problem. Just get in touch today and have a nice with us about your requirements. Contacts are online or just write emails to sales. We'd be happy to help you make the right decision. What's more, on our online store, we offer free fabric swatch. You could get one together with orders, and you could check every materials in person with the above info I just mentioned. That will help understand well. Thank you. Let's see you in the next episode. Bye bye.